Chapter number 3A, Demand Analysis, Textbook page number 26. Question number 5, observe the following table and answer the following question. यहाँ पे टेबल दिया है, पहले हम टेबल समझ के लेंगे, उसके बाद हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चंस. क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड दिया है उन्होंने. प्राइस इन केजी इज गिवन ₹25, ₹30, ₹35, ₹40. कंज्यूमर ए का डिमांड दिखाया है 16, 12, 10, 8. कंज्यूमर बी 15, 11, 9, 6. कंज्यूमर सी 12, 10, 8, 4. अभी हमें चाहिए मार्केट डिमांड विच इज़ नथिंग बट टोटल ऑफ ए, बी एंड सी. In first case it will be 16 plus 15 plus 12, that is 43. उसके बाद 12 plus 11 plus 10, 33. 10 plus 9 plus 8, 27. 8 plus 6 plus 4, 18. Now the B1, draw the market demand curve based on the above market demand schedule. Market demand schedule is nothing but the total of A, B and C consumers. जो हमने अभी निकाली 43, 33, 27 और 18, इसको हमें अभी ग्राफ पेपर के पर लेना है. OY axis shows the price, OX axis shows the quantity demanded. ये प्लॉट करने के बाद कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. In this way, you are supposed to write the answer of this question. Question number 2. Diagram is given. OY axis is price in rupees. OX axis is quantity demanded in kg. DD is original demand curve. And new curve is D1. Another curve is D2. Now we will give the answers to the question. First one, rightward shift in demand curve. Rightward shift in demand curve means DD1, DD1. This is the new curve. Just right hand side to the original DD curve, that is increase in demand. Leftward shift in demand curve, that is D2, D2. It is decrease in demand. Price remains dash. In this case, you will see there is no variation in the price. Price same hai. So the answer is price is remaining same. That price remains same. Increase and decrease in the demand curves comes under. It comes under change in demand. Question number 3. Two diagrams are given. Diagram A and diagram B. Now we will solve the questions. First one, diagram A में दिया है. Diagram A represent dash in demand. It is expansion in demand. Diagram B represent dash in demand. That is a contraction in demand. Second one, in diagram A, movement of demand curve is in dash direction. It is downward direction. Price is falling. Price कम हो रहा है, इसीलिए तो demand बढ़ रहा है. So demand curve is in downward direction. In diagram B, movement of demand curve is in upward direction. As you can see from the diagram, price बढ़ रही है, इसीलिए demand कम हो रहा है. There is a rise in the price. That's why demand is falling